Hi everyone! Today I'm going to unbox my Inktense blocks. I bought these from England and I'm in Australia, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed and my toes crossed that none of them are too terribly damaged or broken. So here goes. I've been waiting to get these for a very long time because they're very, very expensive. I've been wanting these for so long now, and I saw them on eBay. And they were still really expensive. They were about $120 plus postage on top of that as well. That's Australian dollars. So I hope they've padded them out well, because it's an awful long way to come, and they are quite fragile little things. So not very good with a knife. I usually cut myself, so if there's no bloodshed. Come on, I don't want to damage the tin. Oh. Well, at least they're well packed, if nothing else. Hopefully they're as safe and sturdy on the inside as they are on the outside. Let's see. It's funny, you know, because when I try to buy glue or tape, I never get any that's really sticky. Yet when I buy something, oh, getting excited. Oh, silly me. I am excited because I've been after these for such a long time, and eventually I splurged and bought some from England. So they've come a long way. They've come all the way from England to Australia. So I'm expecting some of them to be a bit broken. I just hope I haven't got a box full of powder and dust. But I do expect a couple of them to be broken, because I've actually seen how they throw things around at these at the airports when they're sorting out all the parcels and stuff. Especially when it's got a fragile sticker on, they tend to give it a bit more rough handling. I think they think it's funny or something. But they do. Have you ever watched those Wow, so this is really well packed. Gosh. Oh. Ooh. Here we go. So here we go. We'll have a look inside. Oh, we will if we can open it. I was going to use scissors and I thought my knife would be sharper. There we go. Oh, well packed. Oh, they are well packed, aren't they? A bit of bubble wrap. I can reuse that. Oh, they are well packed. Oh, what's this? Anything else in the box? No, that's all in the box. So that was a really sturdy box. That's a very well packaged box, and it had a fragile sticker on it, so that's good. Okay. Oh, that's the company I bought it from, ATA Aspirations PVT Limited, and I bought them on eBay. They sell loads and loads of stuff. So. Okay, let's have a look. This is so exciting because I've waited ages for these. I mean, when I say I've waited ages, I mean I've literally waited years. I've been waiting for the price to come down, but I guess because they're so good, they haven't really come down in price, because those people who do use them keep buying them again and again because they are so nice. But we'll see. Please do it generous with the bubble wrap. And we have another little box. This is going to be exciting. Oh, it's tape. God, it's sticking to everything. Ah, get off. Oh, you. Stop it, control yourself, woman. Oh, look, it says there, can you see that? It says Inktense Block Tin 72. So that's good. So they did really come in a lot of packaging, so that's really good. That should oh, I can't open it. There we go. Oh, here we are. Oh, looky, looky. excited. Oh, I do love these. Oh, they're too nice to open. But I will open them and show you. Oh, please, please don't let any of them be too broken. Okay, so we've got a beautiful tin, and that's remarkably in very good condition. No dents or bumps. Oh my goodness! Oh, look at this! Look at that, all the way from England, and there's not one single broken one. Not one single cracked one. Oh, that's amazing. That's absolutely... Oh, but that's the top layer. Let's see what's underneath, shall we? But that is really impressive, I must say. Oh, look at those blues and purples. Oh, they look gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to get my hands on these and do some painting. And oh, am I overexcitable? I probably am a bit, aren't I? Wow, look at those, aren't they beautiful? So let's have a look. Let's have a looky. Get that off. Okay, so I've got this little thing here I can pick it up with. And they are just amazing. Look, there's not one single broken one on the top layer. Not a one. Oh, they're beautiful. Oh, I could lick them. I could lick them. Put them down. Okay, put them down. Put them down. Don't want to lick them. Don't want to lick them. Not yet, anyway. Let's have a look. Oh my God, this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. Look at this. This is the second layer. This is the second layer, and there's not one... Oh, yes there is. There's one cracked one. Oh, that's okay. We've got one cracked one out of all of 72, and they've come all the way from England. And just the one blue one is cracked. See the one on the end there? It's cracked. That doesn't matter. That's fine. I think they've done a superb job at packing these up for me and sending them in safe packaging. I think they've done a wonderful job. Look at those. They're just so gorgeous. Gorgeously gorgeous. Okay. Right. Okay, so we've got lots of lovely colours. Now I don't know what they are because there doesn't seem to be a list of... There's no paper in here saying what colours they are. And so you've got all your lovely greens. You've got all the, I think those are like dark browns. I don't know if you can actually see it in this light because I can't actually see it very well myself. But I think they're like all the dark browns, charcoals, and the blacks, and sort of like some greeny, yellowy kind of sort of colours. So you've got lots of lovely greens and earthy colours there. And it's really impressive that it did come all that way. And that is quite a long journey from England to Australia. So that's quite an ordeal for these little pastels to come all that way. And they are pastels, aren't they? Oh, not really pastels, they're paints. The sticks. So they are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, they're so bright, so juicy, so yummy, so mouth-watering. I could really lick them, but I'm not going to. I'm so happy. I'm really pleased with these. So they were really well packaged. I'm very impressed with that because I was actually going to, I thought when these come, and if they do come in perfect condition, which they have, that's it. You know, just expect at least one to be damaged, but that's not even that badly damaged. But I thought to myself, if they come in really good condition, I will actually order another box. But since I bought these, they've put them up by about $40, I think, 40 Australian dollars. So they've hooked them up, and I was really lucky to get these at a good price. But I will buy another box. I'll just wait until they come down in price again, and I will buy another box. And probably from the same seller, because like I said, this is really good. And it's called ATA Aspirations PVT Limited, and they're in Leicester, England, and they're on eBay. So now you know that they are a good seller. You may want to check them out. So I've got all these beautiful colours. I've got all the beautiful mauves, pinks, violets, blues, oranges, yellows, reds. I'm really going to enjoy these. Oh, I just wish there was a little thing in there telling me which colours were which, because dark ones on the bottom layer, I'm going to take this off again, the dark ones there, you actually can't see what colour they are at all from about that one to that one, but there's 5 or 6 there. They all look like they're the same colour because they're so dark, so I won't know what they are until I actually use them. But I'm so chuffed. Oh, I'm so excited. There's lovely tin. Even the tin's perfect. No dents or scratches on that. Beautiful. And they are made in England. As far as I know, when I contacted this company before, because I wanted to make sure that I wasn't buying any knockoff or, you know, any fakes from China, because they are actually, you know, you can get a lot of brand name paints and stuff that are actually faked. So I contacted the Derwent, and they said they do not make them anywhere else except in the UK. So unless they've faked the actual tin in that little thing, but anyway, it came from England, and I know it came from England because it says so on the actual box. So I'm really chuffed with these. I think they're beautiful. Everything I hoped for and more. I'm so chuffed because I can tell you honestly, I expected like about 10 or more of these to be broken and dusty and stuff, and just to have one with a crack in the middle is just, that's amazing. They've done a fabulous job, and I shall leave them 100% feedback. Let's have a peek on the back. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. And Aylesbury, Buckinghamshire, England. Made in UK. Scan me. Oh, I wonder what happens if you scan that. It says here, these water-soluble ink blocks combine the versatility of Inktense with the freedom of blocks, opening up an exciting world of endless possibilities. They are perfect for covering large areas and creating free and expressive marks. When water is added, deep intense colours are created, giving a pure translucent ink-like effect. Once dry, Inktense becomes permanent and can be worked over without affecting the layers of vivid colour. So these are absolutely beautiful. Oh, it's a nice heavy box too. I like the way that feels in my hand. That's nice. Oh, I'm so chuffed. So that's it. I wonder if anyone else out there is excited as me. And I will have to upload a video soon and try them all out and see what I can do with them. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.